Single-channel electronic pipette operation demonstration. Feature introduction. Long press the blue parameter knob to activate the multifunction electronic pipette. Rotate the black knob left and right to switch between the different modes. Function settings. In the power on state, rotate the black knob left or right to switch to the function settings option. Then press the blue knob to enter. Rotate the black knob in any direction to select parameter options. Rotate the blue knob left and right to modify the parameter. Press the blue knob to confirm. After completing all parameter settings, double-click the blue knob to return to the home page. Pipetting mode. After entering the pipetting mode, rotate the blue parameter knob left and right to set the aspiration, dispensing volume. Press the blue knob to confirm the volume. Press the parameter knob again to aspirate. After aspiration is complete, a downward arrow will blink, indicating dispensing can be performed. Dispensing mode. Rotate the black knob left and right to select the dispensing mode. Click the blue knob to enter the dispensing mode. Rotate the blue knob to set the volume per dispensing. Then click the knob to confirm. Rotate the blue knob to set the times of dispensing. Click the blue knob to aspirate. Each clicking the blue knob will dispense the liquid following the setting volume. After the last dispensing, click the blue knob one more to purge the remaining liquid. Dilution mode. Rotate the black knob left and right to select dilution mode. Click the blue knob to enter the dilution mode. Rotate the blue knob to set the aspiration volume for liquid A. Click the blue knob to confirm. Rotate the blue knob to set the volume for liquid B. Then click the blue knob to start aspiration. Click the blue knob to aspirate liquid A, then click again to aspirate air. Continue to click the blue knob to aspirate liquid B. Long press the blue knob to mix the liquids. To charging methods. First method, charge directly by plugging in the power cable. Second method, use the charging stand for wireless charging.